Congrats. Thank you, Zar. Pati ako napabasa, 'di ba? Parang medyo magulo. Anong talent? Sabi mo? Okay, do it again. Ask again. But yung clearer version sa Yes. To heaven. Thank you, Zar. Nagpalit pa to ng ano niya. Ako yan ah. Ako yan ah. Si Self yan ah. Ano na lang, smooth operator na lang. No need to ask, is a smooth. Di na naman tumutugtog. Having a hard time. O Google speaker ko. Paradise. Wala. No need to ask, is a smooth operator. Diyos ko, wala munang pang ano dito. Wala munang pang senti. Hindi tayo magsisenti dito. Excuse me. Yan. Kaso parang iba. Medyo iba yung tunog. Bakit iba? Medyo na-annoy na ako ah. Parang ano? Lumang. Eh bakit? Ba't iba yung version? I think this is the one. Ayaw kasi gumana nung isa. Minto na naman. Bakit kaya ganun? Baka nagkalaw. What do you mean? Ano? Nawawala. Ayoko na yan. Or just when you whip your hair to the side. I whip my hair back and... I don't know. I think my hair also likes it when I do that. Look at the volume of my hair. It really loves that. The whipping thing. I think. No. Wow, si Glenn Frey. Sige, ito na lang. Si Glenn Frey. Bullseye! Hello! Ba't ka nagtatampo naman, ha? Para akong ano, looks like I just woke up. Yung buhok ko. Kinda messy. Someone who can talk to... Nope ba? Nope. What should... I'm hungry now. Ano title niyan, Arian? The title is The One You Love. So who are you gonna choose, guys? The one you love or the one who loves you? You took his number. Said you're all alone, that you'll call her soon. Messing mayam. Ay, grabe naman. Thank you. Grabe naman. Sana all yaman. Ano, tignan mo, kapal ng buhok. Gumaganyan ka na ngayon, ha? Bakit gusto mo ikaw lang? Ah. Are you gonna stay with the one who loves you? Or are you going back to the one you love? Someone's gonna cry when they know they've lost you. Someone's gonna thank the stars above. Hi, Bluetooth. Gusto ko yung ano nito, saxophone nito. Jovan, thank you. Gutom na ako. Tagal pa ba? Hungry na. Hold on, I'll ask them if we can go na. Miss that voice. Mamaya try ko mag-set up, ha? When he comes over, there's no reason to see this through. All the broken dreams, all the disappointment. Oh boy. Pao, hi Pao. Na-browse mo na yung menu. May mga ano sila eh, Frankie, may mga tawag dito, mga sushi, mga steak, ganyan. So, lahat yun gusto ko. Paano yun? With the one who loves you, or are you going back to the one you love? Someone's gonna cry when they know they've lost you. Masarap dun yung may caviar. Hindi ko maalala kung nakatikim na ba ako ng caviar. How does it taste ba? How does caviar taste? What does it taste like? I don't remember trying it before. Si Mima na lang hinihintay. So, tagal. Oh my gosh. 15 minutes lang waiting time nila. Ika-cancel reservation pag walang dumating. Shucks. Tagal.
Yes.
Shanghai sa sayang naman yung ano ko. Get up ko. Ganda-ganda ng ano ko ngayon eh. Outfit ko. Wearing a dress pa, tapos maka-cancel the reservation.